Hello everyone. So today I am going to perform an experiment to determine the bit error rate of optical fiber link. So you can see here, this is a optical fiber trainer kit. So we want to find out the bit error rate of this optical fiber link. It means if we transmit a data from this transmitter to this receiver through this optical fiber link, so will there be any error in the bits transmitted? So if we are calculating error in bits, so it means we are going to use digital data. Okay, so here I will use these blocks. One is this pseudo random binary sequence generator. It will generate a binary sequence. Along with I will get a clock signal from here, which will be a timing signal. Then I will feed this output of sequence generator to digital buffer. Function of this digital buffer or any buffer is to match the load impedance of previous circuit and next circuit. Then this will be a transmitter section in which I will convert this electrical signal into a light signal, because I want to transfer data from transmitter to receiver through this optical fiber cable, which has light inside it, through which my data transfer from this part to this part. Then this will be a receiver circuit in which light to electrical conversion will take place. Now I have transmitted data from here, I have received data to over here. Now next part is to calculate the number of errors. So to find the number of errors, I will add some noise to this signal through this noise source, and I can control the noise, amount of noise, through this level switch. Then this will be a bit error rate counter, to which I will feed a noisy signal and a original signal which I have generated. So this will compare both the signals. I will also put a clock over here, and finally I will get the error count over here. These LEDs will glow if some error will be there in a particular bit, and I can calculate the bit error rate as the number of bits with error divided by the total number of bits transmitted. For example, I take 10 total bits, then I will see how much error is there. Now I will connect the circuit. So first of all, this data out I will connect with this digital buffer. Then output of digital buffer will be fed to this transmitter in. Then from here, this optical fiber cable is already connected. Next, this TTL signal will be fed to this in, noise source in. Output of this noise source, will be fed to this receiver data in, and from here I will feed a data input, like I told you that from here I will put it to here, and finally I will put a clock from transmitter to the receiver, like this. Now let me switch on the equipment. So here, if noise level is 0, in that case let me press this switch. So it will take 10 seconds to calculate the errors. So when this LED will be off, in that case I will get output over here. So you can see that there is no LED which is glowing, it means there is 0 error. Now I can see this error on this DSO as well. Let me switch on it. So I have selected 2 channels. So on channel 1 I will get the input, and on channel 2 I will get the output. So you can see this, let me stop it. You can see that there is no error, like this was my input and this is my output. Okay, but you can just see some noise over here. Now just see, if I increase the noise level and want to analyze it on screen, then you can see some part of noise is added to it over here. Let me show you again. Yeah. So now if I increase the noise level, to maximum, then let me check how many bits will be in error. Now you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 out of 10 bits are now in error. So it means that my bit error rate is 5 divided by 10. Number of bits with error divided by total bits transmitted. So bit error rate is 0.5. Or I can say that my 50% of the bits are in error. Now let me take some middle value of this noise. Now let me show you first the effect of noise. Just see, this one is the amount of noise added. So let me add further noise to it. Now you can see that there is many peaks of noise over here, and if I reduce the noise, then you can see there is no noise, means my this output resembles with the input. Now I am taking medium noise, like you can see here. So let me count the bit error rate again. Now you can see there are only 3 bits in error because I have taken a medium amount of noise that is added to my signal. So I can press this reset button again and again to count the number of errors I am getting over here, and can adjust this level to get multiple readings for this bit error rate. Okay, so this was all about for the experiment, that is to determine the bit error rate of optical fiber link. Thank you.